the ascension process is probably the most important subject, which maybe we don't discuss enough, but I can assure you that our higher selves are discussing this subject at higher level. So, and it's related again with Mother Earth and Father Sun. The people believe that ascension, it's a personal decision. It is not. It is the energy which comes from the Father Sun and is transmuted from the Mother Earth. The energy which comes from the Father Sun and it's transmuted by the Mother Earth and triggers some change in our DNA, which makes us to be ready for ascension. It is not something what we do when we want. Mother Earth decides the ascension of the persons who are on her body. We have to understand, and not too many people understand that these bodies are given by Mother Earth. And the ascension process happens in that moment when Mother Earth decides we are ready for ascension. And this is personal ascension. However, Mother Earth might go to ascension. And all the bodies, which are us, on her body, are going through the same process, through ascension process. And as Drunvalo said, there is nobody who is going to be left in this dimension. However, when the ascension process will happen, when we arrive there, we should be ready to cope. We should be able to stay in that higher level of vibration, higher energy, fourth dimension, right? We are in third dimension now. So, coming back of the workshop, I really believe the workshop is teaching how you are be able to cope when the ascension process will happen. There are some really important meditation and techniques there. And these techniques are helping people when the ascension process will happen. It might happen any moment. It might happen even now. Or it might happen later. Even Mayans, I was talking with Drunvalo a few days ago, even Mayans, they don't know when it will happen. A lot of people are talking about December this year, but we don't believe that will happen. There is a window when anything can happen. And this window started in 2009 and it's finishing in 2016. So any moment the ascension might happen, and better we are ready